In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter a 1099 consolidated in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once you are inside the return, go to the Federal section and then select Income. This will bring you to the area where TurboTax groups income sources by category. Under Investments and Savings, find the option labeled Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other, with the 1099B and 1099DA reference beside it, and click Start. If you have already visited this section before, you may see a different button such as Edit or Revisit. Use that to continue into the same place. TurboTax will ask if you had investment income in 2025. Select Yes to move forward. If a screen appears offering crypto tax services, choose Skip or find it manually later. That keeps you moving directly to the brokerage entry process. Next, search for your brokerage firm in the list provided. If you see it, select it and continue. If you do not want to import or your brokerage is not listed, click the option to enter the information a different way so you can add it manually. On the next screen, choose Type it in myself. TurboTax will then ask what kind of investment form you are entering. Select Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds with the 1099B, 3921, and 3922 reference and click Continue. This is the category used for a consolidated 1099 when the form includes 1099B sales information. You will then enter your brokerage details. Type in your brokerage name, the account number, and payer EIN fields are optional, so you can add them if you want, or leave them blank and continue. After that, click Continue. The next prompt asks whether your sales include employee stock. Answer this based on the information from your form. Make sure you choose the option that matches your transactions before moving ahead, since this affects the follow-up screens. TurboTax will then ask how you want to report the sales. You can choose Enter Sales Totals instead if you want to summarize transactions by category, or Enter one by one if you want to type each transaction separately. Select the method that matches how you plan to report the activity on your 1099B. After that, choose the correct sales section for the transactions you are entering. Then enter the total proceeds and the total cost or basis from your 1099B for that section. Review the figures as you type so the category and totals match your form. Continue through the remaining prompts until TurboTax finishes the investment entry. The screens that follow will guide you through any final details connected to the sales information you entered. Your 1099 consolidated investment entry is now entered in TurboTax.